Back again on the military site channel. The US has entered an important testing phase with the launch of its latest stealth drone, reportedly worth $5.5 million. The drone features advanced technology that combines advantages in detection and stealth, making it a very promising weapon on the modern battlefield. The ability to scout undetected and infiltrate enemy territory unexpectedly gives the US a significant tactical advantage. In an increasingly complex defense world, investment in technology like this is key to maintaining military superiority. This latest stealth drone marks a major advance in the development of US military technology. With the presence of sophisticated sensors and the ability to avoid radar detection, these drones can expand their reconnaissance range and provide more accurate information to US forces. In addition, the ability to carry a variety of payloads, from surveillance cameras to precision weapons, makes it a highly flexible tool in a variety of mission scenarios. However, the existence of these drones also raises concerns among parties who are worried that their use could potentially trigger an escalation of conflict or violate the sovereignty of other countries. While the US emphasizes its use for defense and law enforcement purposes, efforts to monitor and limit its use are necessary to ensure that this technology is used responsibly. Additionally, questions arise about the long-term impact of the availability of such technology on the global market. Given their deadly capabilities and propensity to spread among a wide range of state and non-state actors, strict regulation is needed to ensure that stealthy drones do not fall into the wrong hands. Collaborative efforts between countries to regulate and monitor the development and spread of these technologies are becoming increasingly important. Overall, the latest US stealth drone test highlights the challenges and opportunities associated with advances in military technology. While they promise significant tactical advantages, they also raise questions about the ethics and controls in their use. It is important for the international community to continue monitoring these developments while seeking a balance between military innovation and global security.